four important reports. First report is from DESI. What is the exact position of Tigray Defense Force on this front? Secondly, Fano militia members are getting training. Where they are getting training and for what purpose they are getting training, I will discuss in this video. Thirdly, Ethiopian Air Force again conducted airstrikes on Mekelle. What are the targets of Ethiopian Air Force in these airstrikes? We'll discuss. Lastly, Oromo Liberation Army calling people of Wollo to join OLA. Now let's move to the first report. TDF allied sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force has entered DESI. But on the other hand, at the same time, Amhara news sources are claiming that Amhara's forces pushed Tigray Defense Force back from DESI front and Tigray Defense Force is retreating back from DESI. Here's question arise. What is the exact position of Tigray Defense Force on DESI front? As per reliable sources, Tigray Defense Force is moving towards DESI from Kutabar and reached Wollo University. As you know, Tigray Defense Force is already in the control of Kutabar. After Kutabar, they started moving towards DESI. Now Tigray Defense Force reached Wollo University, which is around 7 km from DESI. It means Tigray Defense Force has entered the outskirts of DESI. Fighting is underway near Wollo University. Secondly, Tigray Defense Force is also advancing towards DESI from A2 highway and reached Trita, which is around 8.5 km from DESI. Tigray Defense Force want to cut supply of A2 highway. Ethiopian Air Force is conducting airstrikes near Trita to push Tigray Defense Force back and to stop the advancing towards DESI. In short, Tigray Defense Force reached the outskirts or gates of DESI and fighting is underway. Now let's see what happens in coming hours, whether Tigray Defense Force succeed to enter DESI or not. Now let's move to the second report. Fano militia members are getting training in Kombolcha. Amhara militias are giving training to these new Fano militias to join the fight against Tigray Defense Force. Remember, Fano militia members were fighting against Ethiopian National Defense Force on DESI front when Ethiopian National Defense Force refused to fight against Tigray Defense Force on front lines. Now they are getting training in Kombolcha to fight against Tigray Defense Force. As I have already told, Tigray Defense Force reached the outskirts of DESI and heading towards DESI city from two directions. These newly recruited Fano militia members can be launched on DESI front to stop the movement of Tigray Defense Force towards DESI. Now let's move to the third report. Ethiopian Air Force again conducting airstrikes in Tigray region. As per reports, today morning Ethiopian Air Force carried out airstrikes on Mekelle. Viewers, this is not the first time Ethiopian Air Force conducted airstrikes on Mekelle. They have conducted airstrikes many times on Mekelle, and Ethiopian government admitted these airstrikes. Viewers, they are claiming that Ethiopian Air Force targeting the military training and weapon depots of Tigray Defense Force. But you will be remembered, many civilians were killed in the airstrikes which were conducted by Ethiopian Air Force last week. Viewers, lastly, Oromo Liberation Army has issued an important statement. OLA issued a statement about the people of Wollo and Oromos in Amhara region. Viewers, as per detail, Oromo Liberation Army is calling the people of Wollo to join Oromo Liberation Army. Viewers, these were 4 reports. For more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.